So if I do a quick video to show this filter fan setup, because there's been a lot of questions about this, so apologies if you don't hear me properly. Should be okay. So I've got the hose here. It comes with this hose. This hose comes with the machine. It's 4 inches, it's standard. It clips at the back here of the Glowforge. So that's what you'd normally do. You plug that into the back of your Glowforge, run it up to your window and out the window, just here. Open the window, out straight the window, no problem. That's what you'd normally do. But from what my research, from when I was looking to buy a Glowforge, I found out that the machine's quite loud, and I like listening to music when I'm working, and sometimes I have conversations. So it's not ridiculous, but you have to shout a bit and raise your voice apparently. So I thought I'll look into that, and discovered that many people use these machines. So this is a AC Affinity Cloudline, is it AICL56? So this is the 6-inch model. The hose that comes with it, like I said, is 4 inches. There is a 4-inch model and an 8-inch model. I went with the 6-inch because if it's set up behind my Glowforge, like some people do, it's the perfect height, and also gives you a bit more power. And yeah, basically it's slightly quieter, not much, but slightly quieter than the fan that comes with the machine. So you turn off the internal fan via the settings, so that turns the internal fan off, and you just use the external fan instead, same as you would if you had the air filtration system that they offer for people who don't have windows nearby. So this is the setup. I basically run the normal hose into this Cloudline fan. I had to get these reducers, so it's basically plastic, you can see them just here, plastic reducers, to reduce it from 6 inches to 4 inches to make sure it fit. And I covered it, caked it in tape, and created a nice tight seal there to make sure no fumes leaked out. I bought a couple of these clips as well to make sure they're on there nice and strong. These are all optional things, you don't have to do this. And then there's another one on the other side to feed out the second hose. I did buy a second hose, but you could potentially cut down the hose that comes with the machine into 2 pieces, and that should be fine. Depends on how far away you are from your window. Excuse the mess in the garden, I'm in a bit of a sort out at the moment. So that feeds outside the window, and I bought this cheap and cheerful, like 10-15 quid. It's a tumble dryer or air conditioning venting kit, and basically what it is, it's just set up with Velcro on the outside of the window frame, and it has a zip, an internal zip here, which means you can access the window, open the window, get some fresh air in still. But it means you feed the hose out, close the window to it, just to hold the hose in place, and then you zip this up. Zip this up a bit, and it creates more of a seal, because if you don't have that and you've got the window open, especially in the cold weather, you're going to get cold air coming in. You might have some of the fumes blowing back in again, depending on how windy it is outside. So this is a good way of trying to reduce that. It's not perfect, it's not a perfect seal. You see there's a little gap there still, but it's better, and you won't get the rain and snow. Some miracle it snows here. So that's nice and easy, and that's, like I say, cheap and cheerful. You use it for air conditioners and all sorts of things. I do have an air conditioner. I bought this one here because I'm in a conservatory, although it's converted, so it has a proper roof with these skylights instead of normal glass. It still gets very hot in here in the summertime, and very cold in the winter. So I bought this Pifco air conditioner, again optional. I chose to do this, didn't have to do it, but the idea being that I also run this in the summertime alongside the machine to keep the room a bit cooler, because it only works at certain temperatures. I also bought this temperature gauge to keep an eye on that. We shouldn't have too many problems in the UK because we pretty much have crap weather most of the time, so we should be okay. But I just wanted to make sure, because it does get very, very hot, like a sauna in here. So there you go. You're not going to see my ugly mug on the video, because I don't like being on camera. But I'm going to try and do some more of these sort of videos to demonstrate things. If you want me to, I'm happy to do that if it helps you more. So hope this helps, and let me know if there's any more questions. Cheers.